Stephanie, and this year we have been working on a production that we're really excited about.
It's called Awakening Acts.
Sure.
And you guys, we love you guys. You're the Rock, you're our sister church, and it's on July 19th at 7 p.m. at the Salvation Army Chapel. It's a debut production. We are so excited. We really feel like it's our time to do something like this. New. It's a fundraiser, so we're sending this to you guys to ask for your support. It opened up, the building opened up, and it's available to us. It's definitely a door God has opened.
Yeah, and it includes all of the arts, including drama, dance, and our music.
We're really excited about it. It's something new. We haven't done anything like this before, so we're really pumped. And Awakening Acts is based on the book of Acts and about just being Acts in our day-to-day and just living that life of just spreading the gospel and bringing down the fire. And we're really excited because we really feel
That fiery passion.
Yeah. So,
And like you said, it was a fundraiser, so we're selling tickets. It's 10 for adults, 8 for students, and 12 and under, it's free.
yeah.
Free.
Or you can do the limbo underneath a certain point once you get free.
Yeah,
And we'll have
true,
shirts
true.
and little traveling things.
Yeah, so come out and support us, guys, because we love you and we're really
Yes.
excited and we want
Yeah.
to share this with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.